Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Let me quickly go ahead and put my mic in. But we are going to be doing March niche ideas, where we'll be exploring 3 different niches that you can create in March, and also we'll be exploring it on journals, a t-shirt, and an interior to get you started, get those ideas flowing, and see what you can come up on your own as well. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video, but make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I'm going to go over here to the wheel of names. The 3 niches that I picked for March are St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, and Easter. So we're going to go ahead and click to spin, and let's see which one we come up with first. Of course, it's going to be Easter. Of course, it's Easter. So we are going to go ahead and I've been working on like some Easter stuff. So I'll do a t-shirt for Easter. So we'll just go ahead and get that out the way. I do have an idea. So it's actually something I wanted to do anyway, but we're going to go ahead and get that done. So here, let me actually find like a bunny or something first. Bunny ears here, and let me see, bunny bum, bunny butt. I want something with some buns. Why I brought up cats? Yeah, trying to do something funny. Bunny buns. Oh, bunny tail. You see how 20 different ways you can find something? So bunny tail, let's see. You can find a bunny with a tail. I want buns. Oh, this might not work. Let me just look up some circles then. Maybe I can make my own buns. Excuse me. So I could find bunny ears, but not a bunny tail. All I can find is one with this bum tooted to the back. I might have to suck it up. Let's see. I'm gonna use my favorite text. Gonna ungroup this. Delete this one. I got, and I am going to copy that. And I was just gonna put buns, hun. Like that, buns, hun. Or should I say buns, hun? I got buns, hun. Ooh. Let me see if I got space. Let me make that bunny smaller. And I'm going to curve that because duh, I got buns, huh? My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, huh? And let's see what kind of little elements we can add to this Easter. Ooh, I want some lines. So like some to accentuate the buns. Like 3 lines. If if I can find something. That might work. Let's work it around and copy it, flip it, and bring it over here. I got buns, hun. So I think this is cute. I feel like I could add something else, but I don't know what else to add. I don't know. Maybe, no. I don't know if that's gonna be. Let's see. Can you put that egg on the Easter Bunny's head? That looks weird. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with this. I got buns, hun. And that'll be my t-shirt design. So let's look at Easter buns shirt. And let's see if anybody else like does a play on like so they do nice buns, bun in the oven, working on my buns. So it is like, it's kind of trendy. So I work hard for the bunny. And let's go look over on Etsy. Easter buns shirt. You can probably find nice buns. Hun bun. Hi, hun bun. I like big buns and I cannot lie. So it's like trendy. So definitely something that you could get in there and do with the Easter bunny and the buns. Bun and cheese. So that was pretty good. I had this idea in my head. I did not research it. So it's good to see that I can actually create this and it be okay and trendy and different. I feel like it needs some more, but for right now, I don't want to overdo it because I always feel like simple is better. The next couple of videos, of course, we're gonna go ahead, since we already done a t-shirt, we'll do a journal and the interior in the next video. So I hope you guys are enjoying these quick little niche idea inspiration videos to just help you think outside the box and find a new way to find ideas and inspiration. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.